Hello children, how are you? Hoping all of you are fine. Dear students, in the previous class we have started chapter number 3 force, and we have done till uh, topic what are the advantages of friction. We have seen that topic. Now we will see what are the method of increasing friction. Let us see. The simplest way to increase friction between two surface is by making the surface rough. More roughness between the surface will cause more friction. Some of the method of increasing frictions are as follows. By grooving. The soles of footwear have grooved designed to increase friction and prevent them from slipping. Sportsperson trackers, etc., have spikes on the sole of their shoes which increase the friction and hence their grip on the ground. Second point is the treaded tire of cars, buses have grooved on their surface to increase friction with the road. This reduces the risk of skidding on wet road. By second point is by making the surface rough. When the ground becomes slippery after rain, sand and gravels are spread on it to increase the friction. Next is the handle cover of two wheelers are mostly either made of spiked, treaded rubber or toiled cloth to provide a good grip of the handle. Now we will see what are the disadvantages of the friction. Friction causes wear and tear of the rubbing surface. It causes wearing of the moving part of a machine with time, wearing of tires of vehicles and even that of soles of our footwears. Second is as friction produces heat, different part of rotating machines get damaged with time and need need periodic replacement. Also we need to make provisions for constant cooling of a moving part of big machines which increases the cost of maintenance. Third point is friction causes wastage of energy, so we have to spend extra energy on machines to overcome friction. This decreases the efficiency of machines. Next we will see method of reducing frictions. What are the method? In order to minimize friction, the following method are used. First, polishing. By polishing a surface, we minimize its irregularities and make it smooth so that friction decreases. Second one is lubricating. We can reduce friction by lubricating the two surface in contact substances like oil, grease, powdered graphite, etc., known as lubricant from form a thin layer between the two surface in contact and fill the depressions present on the surface. This reduces the unevenness of the surface and thus friction is reduced. Even detergent solution act as lubricant, making the floor slippery if slip making the floor slippery if spilled. Next, we will see streamlining. When a body moves through a liquid or a gas, it experiences friction. It is found that this resistance or friction is minimum if the body has a streamlined shape. That means narrow in the front and broad at the back. The bird and fishes having streamlined shape move through fluid or liquid and gases with minimum resistance. We streamline the shape of a boat, ship, aeroplane, rocket, etc. to reduce friction. Next point is using roller or ball bearing. Since rolling friction is lesser than the sliding friction, we convert sliding friction into rolling friction by fitting wheels in vehicles, luggage, trolleys, etc. Friction in machines can be decreased by use of ball bearing in between the moving surface. Although so many methods are employed for minimizing friction, we can never reduce it to zero. Remember it, friction can't be reduced up to 0. So dear students, in this way we have completed our this chapter. Now we will see question answer in the next class. Thank you and take Thank you and take care.